It is my pleasure to welcome you again. My name is Wendy Wilson, and I have the pleasure of serving as the Chief of Staff and Vice President of University Relations here at Albany State University. We are super excited that you joined us in record number this morning. We're going to do what we need to do as quickly as possible so that you can embark upon this new journey with us as it relates to this new facility that we are extremely excited about. Without further ado, as it relates to this ribbon cutting ceremony, I have the pleasure of asking our Interim President, Dr. Lawrence M. Drake II, to come forward. He is going to introduce our Chancellor and do an official welcome. President Drake.
Well, first of all, let me just say that when you send out invitations, you kind of wait and see how many people are going to show up. And well, let me just say that I think everybody that we sent an invitation to is here. So welcome. We are excited about you all being here with us today. And it certainly is my privilege to be the interim president and to welcome you all to this important event. This is a milestone for this institution, and certainly the ribbon cutting reflects a lot of hard work and a number of years of people coming together and dreaming about what's possible. Well, today you're going to see the manifestation of that. This state-of-the-art facility will really serve as a functional asset for how we instruct and do instructional design for nursing and healthcare. And you're going to see AI and different technologies at work in the way this building was not only designed, but also how the instruction is going to take place. This center that we see today is the future. And I want to make sure that we acknowledge a few people that helped make this happen. One is certainly the people who helped build the facility, Ajax and Artesian Construction Companies, our faculty, our staff, particularly our faculty under the direction of our Dean Brinson, who's done an amazing job, and she's going to continue to lead the effort as we do this. Our community members, dignitaries, and members from the University of Georgia system, we thank all of you for coming today, and we are looking forward to you seeing the excellence that will emerge from this activity. At this time, I have the pleasure of introducing an individual that leads with vision and mission, and someone who cares about Albany State, and he's shown that so many times, even in my short tenure. I know about his commitment to this university and to the university system of Georgia. So without further ado, I'd like to bring to the podium Dr. Sonny Perdue, Chancellor of the University of System of Georgia.
Well, thank you, Dr. Drake, and we're happy to be here with you today, and we're happy to have you here on the campus of Albany State. I know this crowd today probably misses Marion Frederick, but I can tell you she's going to do great work across the state with our HBCUs, and we'll all tell her that you sent a hug to her today. But I can tell you this, Dr. Drake has not missed a step. He's started off fast and furious and continuing the great work that Marion left here in this effort. So we appreciate his effort and the whole team here today. I know we got a lot of folks here. I think the whole crowd, Barbara, turned out from Albany here. It shows you how important this facility, this campus, this university is to Southwest Georgia, and we're happy that you're here today. I'd be remiss if I didn't mention a couple of legislators I saw here today. Senator Freddie Powell Sims has been with us earlier at our search charge meeting, and Dean Gerald Green is here as well, as it always is that way. Did I miss anybody else, Gerald? Anybody else? I interrupted your applause. Let's hear it for the two there. Those are the people that are appropriators and advocate for things here at Albany State University, the community of Albany, Darton County, and all of Southwest Georgia. We've also got several regents here today, Dr. Drake. We're happy to have here as well. Our chairman, Harold Reynolds, is here that leads our Board of Regents and very well. Former regent Sarah Elizabeth Langford is there, and a regent, Dr. Deep Shaw, is with us as well. So thank you all for joining us. These are important facilities and important occasions where we can celebrate the kind of efforts that we have from the university system and how important healthcare, education, higher education is to our state. And I just want to mention the fact, Teresa McCartney, our Chief Operating Officer, is also with us here today, a real stalwart in our university system, and reaches out to all of our candidates. So I'm grateful that they're here to witness this occasion. Let me just ask you a question. Have you ever been to the hospital or the doctor's office and have a person start to do a venipuncture on you, and that you can kind of see a little shaking, and it's the first time they've ever done a real one, you know? I see y'all smiling out there, right? And you say, well, you know, 1 jab, 2 jab, 3 jabs, oh, I better go get somebody else. That's what this facility is really all about. And that's what we're doing here, and we appreciate a modern facility that can help all 13 career fields in the healthcare delivery of better services, better training, better education, and to help when that person sticks you, they know what they're doing, they've done it before, they're simulated capacity, and are ready to go to work right away. And that's what we celebrate here today. It's modern, it's futuristic, and it's a real icon edifice for the type of education that Albany State is providing to our healthcare fields here today. So that's why we're grateful to celebrate this. And I am so happy, Dr. Drake and all the staff here, Dean, for the energy and the excitement that we see from the community here today regarding what's happening here and what will be happening here in the future. We appreciate all those people who made it possible, our legislators, our appropriators, but also the local community who weighs in here with contributions as well, our healthcare systems here in the area to do that. So today we're excited about this facility. We hope you'll take a look at it. It's going to be wonderful, and it'll mean a lot for these all 13 career fields. Will be able to utilize this from emergency service or from ambulance or just transport and different things like that. There's so many things involved in healthcare that young people will be learning, young and not so young people will be learning here at this facility. We're honored to be here today. Welcome. Thank you all for letting me be here to participate.
So good morning, everyone. My name is Sarah Brinson. I'm the Dean of the Darton College of Health Professions here at Albany State University. I think that I may be the most excited person here today. What do you think? Maybe? So this state-of-the-art facility represents a very significant milestone for Albany State University's commitment to providing continuous education to not only our students, but to our community. First, I would like to extend a very heartfelt thank you to all of the people that were involved in making this dream come true. This building is more than just bricks and mortar. It is a beacon of hope and progress. Within these walls, our students will engage in realistic hands-on learning and experience crucial that is developed for their development and their learning in healthcare. The advanced simulation technology housed here will allow ASU students to practice and master their skills, like you heard Chancellor Perdue say, master their skills so much more than just sticking you with a needle, I hope, and prepare them for real-world challenges. Healthcare is continuously evolving, and our approach to education must evolve with it. This center is designed to be adaptable, as you will see in our tours, and it also houses the latest advancements in medical technology and medical science. By doing so, we are ensuring that our graduates are not only equipped with the knowledge and skills needed to work in the hospital in the outpatient setting, but also with the confidence they need to develop exponential patient care. As we stand here today, we're not just opening a new building, we are opening the doors to endless possibilities. Through advanced community partnerships and professional development, the ASU Nursing and Health Science Simulation Center will help meet the needs of the healthcare workforce in Southwest Georgia. We, the faculty and staff of the Darton College of Health Professions, are excited to serve over 900 new, incoming, and continuing nursing and health science students for the fall 2024 semester. So let us celebrate today this momentous occasion with gratitude and a shared commitment to excellence in healthcare. This center is truly a testament to ASU's dedication to educating the next generation of healthcare professionals. Thank you for being here today, and thank you for your unwavering support of Albany State University and our community.
Well, good morning, everyone. As our Chancellor said, it really is a delight to see so many of our community members, our legislators, our partners here to celebrate this grand occasion. As you heard, a ribbon cutting is not just, let's take a picture and let's cut a ribbon. It's really a celebration. If it's a small business, a celebration of someone's vision, of their investment in their future. And today it's a celebration of Albany State University. It's an investment not just in our students, it's an investment in our region. Because Albany State University is not just Albany's, but it belongs to all of Georgia, and its impact is felt not just in Southwest Georgia, but throughout our entire state. We are a healthcare community. We are proud to be a healthcare community, and this investment ensures economic mobility, social mobility, and the ability for our businesses to recruit, retain talent, and for our community to recruit and retain businesses. So we are delighted to be here. It's really an honor for me serving two roles as CEO of your Albany Area Chamber, but also as your regent representing the 2nd Congressional District. I appreciate each one of you and our broad-based team. I would again want to thank our appropriators, Gerald, Freddie. It's always a delight to work with you to see these things through, and this is a project that the Albany Area Chamber championed for many years alongside the university and alongside you, and we're happy to see it come to fruition today. I also want to recognize Christopher Drake from Congressman Bishop's office. We appreciate you, and our chairman, Mr. Lorenzo Hurd, for being with us today. All right, with that, Wendy has given great instruction. I'm going to ask my Albany Area Chamber team to start coming forward. They'll help direct how this rolls out. And then, Wendy, you can invite anyone else up to the podium. Thank you all so much.